Looking to start your fitness journey in 2026 but not sure which app to choose? We've picked the 6 best fitness apps for beginners that make workouts simple, fun, and effective. Let's find the perfect one for your goals. Coming in at number 6 is Fitness app, Gym Workout Plan. It already has a 4.1 star rating, over 80,000 reviews, and more than 5 million downloads. So clearly, a lot of people are seeing results with it. The coolest part? It doesn't matter if you're trying to lose weight, build muscle, or just get back into shape. The app helps you find a workout that actually matches your goal. There are hundreds of guided routines, plus over 850 exercises with 3D demonstrations, so you always know exactly what you're supposed to do. That means less guessing and more confidence, especially if you're new to working out. It also tracks every workout, helping you stay consistent instead of forgetting where you left off. And when it comes to nutrition, you've got calorie tracking, meal planning, and a huge food database built right in. If you ever feel stuck, you can even connect with fitness coaches or join the app's community for tips and motivation. For anyone looking for an all-in-one fitness app without making things complicated, this one's an easy recommendation. Stay tuned because the apps ranked above this one get even more impressive. Number 5, we have Home Workout app. Fitness, one of the highest rated fitness apps with an impressive 4.9 out of 5 stars, over 128,000 reviews, and 5 million plus downloads. Whether your goal is losing weight, building muscle, or getting visible abs, this app creates a personalized workout plan based on your fitness level. And the best part? You don't need a gym or expensive equipment, just your body weight. It includes targeted workouts for your abs, chest, arms, legs, and full body, plus HIIT, strength training, stretching, and recovery sessions. So whether you're a complete beginner or already experienced, there's always a workout that fits you. The app also keeps you motivated with automatic progress tracking, daily workout reminders, and step-by-step video guidance to help you exercise safely and correctly. If you're serious about building a healthier routine without spending money on a gym membership, this app is definitely worth checking out. Follow for the next app in our best fitness apps for beginners in 2026 countdown. Coming in at number 4 is Fitness and Bodybuilding. With a 4.5 star rating, over 226,000 reviews, and more than 10 million downloads, it's already helping millions stay on track. What makes it stand out? Instead of leaving you to figure everything out, it gives you complete workout plans based on your goal. Want to build muscle, get stronger, burn fat, or just stay active? It's all organized for you. Every exercise includes photos and video demonstrations, so you always know you're doing the movement correctly. That's a huge confidence boost, especially if you're new to the gym. The app also tracks your workouts, records your sets, reps, and weights, and even shows your progress over time. Watching your improvements is surprisingly motivating. And here's something I really like. You don't need a fancy gym. Whether you're training at home or lifting at a fitness center, the app adapts to the equipment you have and keeps your routine from getting boring. If you're looking for a workout partner that's available anytime without paying for a personal trainer every session, Fitness and Bodybuilding is definitely worth trying. Stay tuned because the top 3 are even more impressive. The number 3, we have Fitness Coach. Weight loss, an app that's already been downloaded by over 10 million people with around 292,000 reviews. That's a huge community working toward healthier lives. What makes this app stand out? It creates personalized workout plans based on your fitness goals, whether you want to lose weight, build muscle, or simply stay active. The best part? You don't need a gym. Most workouts use just your body weight, so you can exercise anytime, anywhere. If you're a beginner, you'll get simple routines that are easy to follow. As you improve, the app increases the challenge so you keep making progress without feeling overwhelmed. You'll also find more than 100 expert-designed workouts, including HIIT, stretching, strength training, and full body sessions. And if you're short on time, there are quick workouts that take only a couple of minutes. Every exercise comes with video demonstrations and coaching guidance to help you use proper form and reduce the risk of injury. The app also tracks your workouts, calories burned, weight, steps, and water intake, making it easier to stay motivated as you watch your progress over time. Want extra motivation? Try one of the guided 30-day fitness challenges and share your achievements with friends to stay accountable. Number 2. It's 30-day fitness challenge, and with a 4.8-star rating, over 530,000 reviews, and more than 10 million downloads, it's easy to see why so many people stick with it. This app is built for real life. Whether you're a complete beginner or already active, you can work out anytime, anywhere using nothing but your body weight. No gym, no expensive equipment. What makes it stand out is how it gradually increases the workout intensity. You won't be thrown into impossible routines on day one. Instead, each workout builds on the last, making it easier to stay consistent and avoid burnout. You'll also get detailed exercise videos, automatic progress tracking, and daily reminders to help keep your fitness goals on track. Want to focus on your abs? There's a dedicated challenge for that. Looking for full body workouts or lower body training? Those are included too, with difficulty levels ranging from beginner all the way to advanced. Even if you only have a few minutes, the app includes quick HIIT sessions designed to burn calories and fit into a busy schedule. If you're looking for a simple way to build healthier habits without leaving home, 30-day fitness challenge is definitely worth checking out. The number 1, it's home workout, no equipment, and it's easy to see why. With an impressive 4.8-star rating, over 3 million reviews, and more than 100 million downloads, it's one of the most trusted fitness apps out there. The best part? You don't need a single piece of gym equipment. Just a few minutes a day and your own body weight are enough to get started. Whether your goal is building muscle, losing weight, burning fat, or simply staying active, this app creates workout plans based on your fitness level and personal goals. You'll find guided routines for your abs, chest, arms, legs, and full body training. It also includes cheat, Pilates, calisthenics, and strength workouts, so there's always something new to keep you motivated. Every exercise comes with clear animations and video instructions, making it easy for beginners to learn proper form while reducing the risk of injury. Need help staying consistent? The built-in workout tracker, progress reports, and smart reminders help you build healthy habits without feeling overwhelmed. Even better, each session can take as little as 7 minutes, making it perfect for busy schedules. If you've been waiting for the right time to start your fitness journey, this app makes it easier than ever. That's our list of the top 6 fitness apps for beginners in 2026. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful fitness content.